Google is now rolling out a popular requested feature that lets you change your primary gmail.com address without creating a new Google account. Until now, if you wanted to change your Gmail username, you had to start fresh with a new account or use aliases and secondary addresses. Your original Gmail address always stayed as the main identifier. This is what's changing, how the rollout is happening. The option is being released slowly in a controlled rollout, region by region. Documentation first appeared online in India, showing that Google is using a step-by-step approach. How to change your email address. To access this feature, go to your Google account homepage, click on Email, you'll see an option to make the change, or you can click on Personal Information, then click on Email. Important requirements. The feature only works with Gmail addresses. Both your old and new addresses must end with @gmail.com. What happens to your old email? When you switch, your old email address doesn't disappear. Google keeps your original username as a secondary or recovery address. This means you'll still get emails sent to your old address. You can sign into all Google services, YouTube, Drive, Maps, etc., using either your old or new email. You can switch back to your old email address if you want. Your data stays safe. All your existing data remains unchanged, including Google Drive files, emails, photos, YouTube history, all other account data. Limitations to know. There are some restrictions. You can only create a new Gmail address 3 times per account. After each change, you must wait 12 months before creating another new address. Special note for Chromebook users: if you use a Chromebook, back up your local files first before making this change. Removing and re-adding your account can delete your device's home directory. Expected issues. Some minor friction is expected. Apps may reset preferences. Older content like calendar events or shared documents may still show your original email address. This is a positive update that brings Gmail closer to other email providers who already offer this feature. It's been highly requested for a long time. Check your Google account under Personal Info Email to see if you have access yet. The feature is rolling out gradually, so it may not be available for everyone immediately.